Hi, welcome again to my channel and welcome to another video. So basically today in this video I want to show you how you can switch on any DJI FC controllers. So basically I got here the DJI FPV controller, I got here the DJI FCN controller, and I got here the DJI FC2 controller, which I'm using for my DJI Mini 3 Pro. So basically the same principle applies for all of them, even for new controllers. So basically I'm gonna show you how you can switch them on. It's really easy, simple, and doesn't require any knowledge. Before we move forward, feel free to join the community board I've built for DJI pilots. It's dji-pilot.com. It's totally free to join, and you can join there and talk about drones if you want to talk about drones. So let's move forward and show you how you can switch them on. So basically if you press just once, it will show you the full charge, example how fully charged the FC controller is. To switch it on, you just need to press once quick and just second time just hold. So example here, so you press, so basically you press once, just check how fully the FC controller is, and just to switch it on, just press again and just hold it. And as you can see here, it literally switched on. And the same thing applies if you want to switch it off. You just hold once and second time, sorry, you just press once and second time just hold it until you're gonna see all the lines are going off. So let's wait for this one to switch on, and I'm going to show you how you can switch off as well. The same things apply with DJI FPV controller. Again, just press once to check the battery level and hold it second time to switch it on. So once you have this FC controller on and you want to switch it off, same thing applies. Just press quickly first time and second time just hold it, and I can see it's switched off. Same thing applies to the DJI FPV controller. You can see the FPV controller is on, and just to switch it off, just press once and hold it. That's it. Very simple and easy. And that's it in this video. That's what I want to show you, how you can switch on and off them DJI controllers. Very easy and simple. And thanks a lot for watching. Any questions, ask in the comments, or you can join the community board for DJI pilots. I'm gonna leave a link in the descriptions, and hopefully to see you there.